So, good morning, ma'am. So, Miss, good morning, Miss. So, this is the information of Mid Defense Report, the Article 234 of the Revised Penal Code. So, first, refusal to discharge elective office. So, the penalty of refusal to discharge elective office is arresto mayor or a fine not exceeding 1,000 pesos or both shall be imposed upon any person who, having been elected by popular election to a public office, shall refuse without legal motive to be sworn in or to discharge the duties of said office. So, muna siya may totoo siya, punish a person elected to a public office who refuses without legal man, ato ang mabutangan para nabi kay ikaw ang mayor, kaya wala nang ilang panang ng trabaho, so makasuhan ka o refusal to discharge the office. So the element is that the offender is elected by popular election to a public office. So ikaw dapat kanang ito kapagadaw pag mayor nimo so electionan yun ka. So lagi ka electoral process ba. Second is that he refused to be sworn in or to discharge the duties of his office. So after being proclaimed the winner, the elected person must formally take a oath. So take a oath after winning sa Osaka election. Next is there is no legal motive for such refusal to be sworn. So gusto ka mayor kunya wala ka ni trabaho tungod kay wala kay ganahan, di ka puwera ka o kung saan rason nimo nga dili sa legally documented nga pagka kung sa man may mong rason grabe kanang wala kay medical certificate nga gikan sa kuan. Di valid. Di bawal na siya nga mo di ka mo trabaho tungod kay imo ka puwera ka.
Dili valid yung reason.
So the next is the article 235. So the maltreatment of prisoner, matutulad siya ang pag-maltreat sa prisoner. Diba? The penalty of prison correctional in its medium period. So the penalty is prison correctional in its medium period for prison mayor in its minimum period. So in addition to his liability for the physical injuries or damage caused shall be imposed upon a public officer or employee who shall overdo himself in the correction handling of a prisoner or detention prisoners under his charge by the imposition of punishments not authorized by the regulations. So, katulad siyang mga planta na kunin nga kaso ang nakabiyon sa itong maltreatment o karang pag-abusar sa mga power sa isip sa warden na bitaw at police officer na bitaw. Nga mo ang i-abusar ng mga pan, manakit ka, yung pag-utman mo, mo ang i-bartulinahon mo, ano ba? If the purpose of the maltreatment is to extort or a confession or to obtain some information from the prisoner, the offender shall be punished of prison mayor. So, kung purpose lang yung magkakakuan, itong pagkatag, itong pugso mo sa kawasan ng statement ba, or pangkunan mo siya sa pamali sa pugos, makasuhan sa prison mayor in its new period of temporarily special disqualification and a fine not exceeding 6,000 pesos. In addition to his liability for the physical injuries or damage caused as amended. So the elements sa Article 235 is that the offender is public officer or employee. So dapat usa ka kuan, warden ka, police officer ka, jail guard ka, muna siya. Next, number 2, that he has under his charge a prison or detention. So the public officer must have a direct responsibility for the custody of the prisoner. So number 3 is that he maltreats such prisoners in either of the following manner. So the imposition kanang kung sa may mga malabag niya kanang kuan ba kanang gitawag dito the imposition of punishment not authorized by regulation. So kung say naka-authorize kung say nakasulat dito nga need mo nga himo siya sa kanang kuan mo dili na pwede mag-ubiyan dala kay naman sa mga kuan kanang authorized by regulations kana itong regulation na sunod ba kasi pagahimo sa amone hindi mo pasobrahan. So next is the Article 236. So the anticipation of duties of a public officer. So any person who shall assume the performance of the duties and powers of any public office or employment without first being sworn or required by law shall be suspended from such office or employment until he shall have complied with the respective formalities and shall be fined from 100 to 500 pesos. So the anticipation of public officer Kuan siya. Anticipation ba kana bitaw dili pa nimo kanang wala pa kana human sa mga pangailangan bitaw para mo take out, mo kanta og ban, nya mo trabaho bitaw ka muna na nga katubutang mo dito kanang excitement sa trabaho ba, gusto na mo trabaho dili pa ka formally kuan, wala pa nabutang wala pa namo nahimo ang mga kailangan mo on. So the elements that the offender is entitled to hold a public office or employment either by election or appointment. So means the person has been legally chosen or appointed. So dapat legally appointed buga or the electoral process o yun. Next is that the law requires that he should first be sworn in or should he have first give a ban. So dapat sworn ka kanang nanumpa ka ba sa imong posisyon, imong tarungan, imong trabaho o kaning ban po para sa kuwara para sa mga kuan siya ba? Para sa mga ligagan ikaw ang kanang treasurer at treasurer ka need ka mo kanong ban para nang mukuha ka sa imong kaugalingong money ba kay imo impose sa kunsa ang banding agency man sa kunsa na imo na sa kaugalingong kwarta nga mihatag dito in case kung makalingkod ka unya og nakay para nang bawalaan ka kanang bawalaan yung pundo pwede siya makakuha tong imong kwarta dito imong gibutang na dali ng. So the municipal treasurer might be required to post a bond of 100,000 pesos bond if they steal funds. That bond can be used to repay the lost money. So di ba ikaso abe mo sa mga treasurer
ay pundo.
Hindi ka pundo ba imong gagawin ng kwarta ba para ang kaso sa imong trabaho kung nakalapses mawalaan na din. Ikartas pa yung gibutan dito ng imong kwarta ibalik sa pundo ba. Even without taking an oath, person starts acting like they are in position. So, bisa wala pa ka ni take oath. Gamanumando na ka ito, gamanugod na ka, gamanpirma na ka mga kuhan, gamanpirma na ka mga pinirmahan ba, katrabaho na sa imong gusundan ba. Pero ito, dili pa ka legally nakaputang pagidara. So, last limit is the Article 237, so the prolonging performance of duties and powers. So, any public officer who shall continue to exercise the duties of power of his office, employment, or commission beyond the period. So, patuloy siyang mutrabaho dyan ka, bisag humanay mong termino ba? Kasi humanay mong term ganin, trabaho dyan ka, muna yung mukhaan kaning Section 237, the prolonging of performance of duties and powers. So, provided by law, regulations or special provisions acceptable to the case shall suffer the penalties of prison correctional. So the penalty is prison correctional in this medium period. So special temporary disqualifications in its minimum period and a fine is 500 pesos. So the elements sa kaning kanang going on duty po ka bisan humanay mo kan elements are that the offender is holding a public office. So the person patong ba dapat ana po na imong kaugalingong office bitaw nga lang ang trabahoan niya dapat nga balik mo sa trabahoan bisag humanay mong term. So that the period provided by law, regulations, or special provisions for holding the office has already expired. So balik din ang iyang elements pero dapat nga expired or expired that he continues to exercise the duties and power of his office. So bisag expired na ka mandong ko dito ba? So that he continues to exercise the duties and powers of such office. So, bisag man ay mong term, pero magkamirma na kung ganito sa mga pirmahan sa trabaho sa nga, di na himuha kay ganun na bago. Niya, kanang kapanugong-ugol mo nga ba? So, that's all, mate. Thank you.